Logitag offers an over-the-cloud integrative inventory management solution that revolutionizes the way medical devices, medical supplies, and medical equipment are managed. The solution provides ongoing automated connectivity between hospitals and vendors. The unified infrastructure connects all elements of the logistical and operational chain with real-time reports accessible simultaneously to both hospitals and vendors. As part of Logitag's Healthcare Solution Suite, the Smart Cabinet offers an innovative solution for managing high-value medical devices and consignment stock. By automating the inventory management process, the Smart Cabinet meets the challenges of high-volume inventory and stock management that many hospitals face today, rendering the process highly accurate and significantly efficient. In facilities where inventory is managed manually, up to 50% of nurses' time is misused. Items can be misplaced, out of stock, or wasted, having reached their expiry dates. To overcome these challenges, hospitals typically raise inventory levels to avoid shortage, simultaneously raising the cost and lowering the efficiency of the inventory management system. The Smart Cabinet provides the right solution for inventory management. Based on the advantages of RFID technology, every item is tagged with an RFID label, a wireless identity with a unique global serial number, which carries all the information in one data source. Devices tagged and shipped from the vendor's warehouse are recorded and then stored in the cabinet by hospital staff. In preparation for or during a procedure, the pre-approved staff use their ID badge to unlock the cabinet, enabling detailed item traceability, including the time the doors opened, which item was removed, and by whom. Simultaneously, patients' records are automatically updated with all procedural information. The user-friendly process has minimal effect on daily routine. The foolproof advanced over-the-cloud solution can automatically scan its entire content within seconds, reliably detecting removed items with zero mistakes. After the procedure, each consumed item is scanned and unused items are returned to the Smart Cabinet. The inventory records are immediately available on a secure cloud server and accessible in real time by both hospital departments and associated medical vendors. The automated system results in a 30% reduction of inventory levels with 100% eliminated loss on expired items. Consumed items are automatically linked to patients' accounts, enabling accurate cost capture and corresponding invoicing. Nurses no longer need to track the used or expired items, enabling a significant rise in direct patient care. And with no stockouts, doctors are guaranteed to have devices readily available when critically needed. As the information is linked to the medical vendor's warehouse, vendors can remotely monitor their high-value devices that makes for faster item replenishment and automatic billing. And while inefficient manual inventory tracking often leads to expensive hospital versus vendor disputes, the automated inventory count facilitates agreement between the parties regarding the use of tracked items and payments for consigned stock. The Logitag solution resolves pressing challenges that hospitals face today with an ongoing flow of reliable data. And it can be used in any interventional room, including OR, Cath lab, EP lab, eye clinics, interventional radiology, and pharmacies. Logitag supports hospitals and vendors in numerous ways. It eliminates manual counting, produces accurate inventory records in real time, and provides immediate identification of procedure and item. Logitag enables consignment inventory management, eliminates stockouts, expired items and waste, and reduces management costs significantly. Logitag, offering a revolutionary over-the-cloud integrative inventory management system.